Sbeadycare is the first all-inclusive revolutionary laundry management program that's truly all-inclusive. Sbeadycare provides a fully integrated program that provides a worry-free solution across multiple laundry applications, including industrial, hospitality, commercial, dry cleaners, and fitness clubs and spas. Depending on the particular Sbeadycare program chosen, customers receive the machine, installation, financing, chemicals, polymer beads, service and maintenance, training and support, and warranties, as well as access to Xeros' proprietary laundry management technology, Xeros Connect. Laundries save a bundle with Sbeadycare because there are no costly repair bills, expensive parts, or unreliable service technicians. It's all covered with one low monthly payment. You'll have no more dealings with multiple vendors, as you'll be working with one single-pointed team for all of your needs, such as training, employee support, and marketing support materials for your customers and your staff. You'll receive an ongoing supply of consumables, including polymer beads and chemicals. We even recycle end-of-life beads as part of our Sbeadycare program. And Xeros Connect provides you with crucial insight and actionable data through its intelligent, cloud-based, real-time monitoring dashboard that can help you qualify for incentives through major utility companies.